Welcome back. You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how PARAGO makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. If not, check them out. Today I will show you how to make use of the multi-use divider. For proper hygiene, you should always store your food and drinks separately. How? Super easy. Open the lid of your PG20 and you will find the divider on the inside of the lid. To remove it, press these small hinges and shift the divider either left or right. Now you can slide it in one of the joints inside the cooling tub, creating separate cooling areas according to your needs. To put the divider back again, release it from the cooling tub and lock it safely back on the hinges until you hear the click. The divider is now safely stored again and you're good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our PARAGO website.